Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coloring a beautiful lion. This is a brush pen. Orange color. This is your orange color. Yellow color. This is a yellow color. Blue color. This is a blue color. It's brown color. It's brown color. Red color. This is a red color. Light blue color. This is a pink color. Wow, this is a purple color. Light green color. Let's start the painting. Brown color. It's red color. It's orange color. The coloring is complete. See you next video. Tata.